I attended Thomas Hanser's course on autogenous grafting, and I can't speak highly enough about it. It is amazing. He's such a good teacher, and he's just so clear and so patient.
I've learned already in 24 hours a massive amount of new information and a fantastic technique. Dr. Hanser teaches very, very nicely and caters to everybody's level of experience. Dental Iceberg have provided us with a beautiful location in the centre of London, and I'm very grateful, and I shall be definitely following more of Dental Iceberg's courses in the future.